So what are the main, like, why you see the advertisement, and what is the benefit of the TV channels to show you? Why they are showing you, and what are their benefits?
Yeah, the advertisement is shown because of that the people are unknown to the thing, okay, or the new product. Okay, just suppose if I produce a new product, okay, then it is sure that the product will be unknown to all. But for that, if we want all the people to know, okay, so we will have to advertise for that. We have to tell the advantage of the things, what would be benefits of that, okay, so that the people may know and people will buy our product. So that's why the product the advertisement is given.
Okay, fine. So, like, let me tell you the small thing. Okay. So, what happened, like, when you watch a movie, for example, you are watching, tell me your favorite TV channel, what you watch, which channel you watch every day? One of your favorite TV channel.
Actually, I don't watch any TV or any TV channel. Okay, just if
Okay.
I watch, then I watch the Raj Sabha TV channel or English news channel. Okay.
So, what happened, like, when you watch any video in YouTube channel, okay, you will see a like ad there. Okay, mostly you will see the ad of Zomato. Okay,
Hmm.
that I want food, something Zomato
Zomato
or
or
An
the
Academy.
like
So, what
English
is
app.
happening?
Hmm.
English app. So what is happening? Okay, they find your interest. Yeah, Mr. Nayan is interested in English. Okay, so I will show you. For example, if you want to go abroad, okay, you will
Hmm.
get the advertisement of IELTS examination. Okay, or you like very much fancy dresses, shoes, and all. You will get
Hmm.
the ad of AGO, Reliance, or that kind of things.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so what happened? The companies, okay, pay to the YouTube that, okay, show my ads to the related audience, and I will pay you the money. And when you will click to the ad, so YouTuber will earn the money, as well as Google
Hmm.
will also take the money. And there is
Yeah, yeah.
advantage for all the people. Okay, the advantage for the ad also, when you will buy the product from AGU, when you will buy the product from Reliance, they will also get
Hmm.
profit. And if you are a
Hmm.
YouTuber, you will also get profit. Okay, and
Hmm.
YouTuber who made the YouTube, he will also get profit. So that is the
Hmm.
advantage of advertisement. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're
Okay,
right.
fine.
Actually, I think each and every app, okay, has its own advertisement or anything. Okay, I think advertisement is just advertisement is related to their channel or their app. Okay, just suppose we are watching an English channel, then it is sure that you may get some English
Exactly.
advertisement. Okay,
Uh,
if you are watching some about fancy dresses or anything, then it is sure that you will get some advertisement of the online shopping or anything, right?
mm, okay.
So means the thing is that just advertisement are related to their channel or their interest,
Mm,
right?
yeah. I think you are watching any video in YouTube. Are you paying to watch that video?
No, actually, we don't pay any money to watch the advertisement. Okay,
Exactly.
to
No,
watch
no.
the ad.
Means, yeah, no, no, not to watch that. If you watch any video in YouTube, are you paying any money?
No, no,
Okay, you are watching my
definitely
video,
not.
or might be any person video. You are not paying money, it is for free. Why
Yeah,
anybody
yeah.
will provide you free thing? Okay, nobody is that much free that he will provide you a free thing. If you are not paying for the product, you are the product. For example, if you are watching my video, you are the product of mine. Okay, this is the thing. If you are paying for the product, then it is good. If you are not paying for any kind of product, so you are the product. They are showing you advertisement, and you are watching that, and you are clicking on that advertisement, you are buying that product, you are knowing about that product. Okay, then only you are getting the things. So one more, would have you seen the advertisement of Maggie?
Yeah, yeah. I was.
Yes, so tell something about the advertisement. What advertisement have you seen on Maggie?
I usually skip the ad. Okay, after 5 seconds. Okay, I
Okay.
don't watch any full advertisement or any full ad.
Okay,
Okay.
but some ad are like that, that you can't skip, because they are paying a lot of money. For example, Zomato ad, you can't skip. They will show you
Hmm.
the complete ad. some of the ad like Tata Group ad, you can't skip because what is happening? They are paying very good
Yeah,
amount
and the
money
Google
to
Pay.
the YouTube.
Yeah. So there are
Google
some
Pay.
ads. Okay, we can't escape this app. Okay, but
Exactly.
just your video will start automatically after few seconds, right?
Yeah. So tell me about the ad of Maggie. What you see in the ad of Maggie? Tell me about that.
I don't remember anything. Okay,
Okay. Like
what I
in
saw.
the ad of Maggie, they will say that Maggie will become like you can cook Maggie in only 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
this.
right.
So think that if there was no advertisement, so how you would know about Maggie? Because Maggie is a very big company in one day earning like millions of dollars. Maggie is earning in one day millions of dollars. Why? Because they have shown you the advertisement that Maggie, you will see that in only 2 minutes. Okay, the Maggie will be only cooked in 2 minutes. Okay, so it have went into your mind. Okay, I will buy Maggie due to advertisement, and you're buying that. Okay, and they are earning the profit. So this is the power of advertisement.
Yeah, that's why advertisement is very necessary. Otherwise, the people won't be able to know about anything about the product, right?
Exactly.
And just we as we buy newspaper in only 2 rupees or 3 rupees or 4 rupees. Okay, so do you know that what is the secret that how we are able to buy the newspaper only in 3 or 2 rupees?
Yeah,
Yeah,
advertisement is
I
the
think
best.
it costs more than two. Okay, to just print the newspaper. Okay, but
Uh,
the thing is that only because of only the advertisement, only the ad. Okay,
okay.
because the ad company or the people who have to give ad in newspaper. Okay, so they are paying so much money to the press. Okay, that's why they are making available the newspapers in only two rupees, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, Mr. Nayan, tell me that what is the difference between older ad and new ad? Might be when you are small, so you might be watching some ads. Now also you are watching some ad. So tell
Mhm.
me what is the difference?
Okay, just we know that when we were child, okay, that time we used to see some another kind of ad. Okay, but
Okay.
we are seeing some another kinds of ad. But I think some apps are similar. Sorry, older ads.
Mm.
Okay, but they are changing the style of giving ad. Okay, because when I was child, that time we used to watch the Ghani detergent powders ad, okay, in TV, and I think it is still going on. Okay, but the thing is that its style has become changed,
Uh,
right? And the another thing is that the thing which are the thing which are not available. Okay, I think they are not of use. So I think they are not showing their ads, and some new ads have come in our market. Okay, just we are going through the online age. Okay, so just we may see many type of online ads in YouTube or in TV or anywhere.
so like one thing you left, okay, like what was happening in before ad, okay, there was banners and poster, it was offline, and we have to invest lot of money because for example I want to say ad in all the places, I have to spend a lot of money, but
Mhm.
online I have to spend less money and my targeted audience will see that. Okay, but before I have to make a poster, I have to send person to apply the poster. Have you seen any poster kind of ad, poster in the posters in the market and all?
Mhm. I think there are still many posters in our market or in everywhere. Okay, but I think there has become very little use of
Hmm.
the poster. Okay, nowadays every company has have come to give their ad through the online. Okay, they are giving digital ad.
Correct.
Okay, they are not giving any poster somewhere or anywhere. The another benefits of the digital ad is that just we may influence more people.
Okay, fine. Good. So Nayan, tell me like which is your best ad? I hope in your life definitely you have seen the ad of Favicol, you have seen that of khadi, as you told, pehle istemal kare fir Maggie, Maggie, something they say. So there you have seen lot of ad in your life. Okay, so can you
Yeah.
tell one of the funniest ad or which ad you like very much? Okay, this is my favorite ad. So which is that ad?
I still remember an ad what was shown in TV, just like of Kurkure. Okay, yeah, it was said that tera hai par mera hai. Yeah,
Okay, yes.
yeah.
Okay,
And apart
fine.
from that, I
Okay,
don't see any ad nowadays.
but nobody like to see that, but you have to see. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
nobody want
I,
that to see something out of their interest. But it is also not because you are the customer of them, so you have to see that. Then only they will earn the money.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so then tell me that, for example, you will see ad in TV when you on your TV when you're seeing the news at ABP News. Okay, आपको रखे आगे. So you're seeing that okay that in you are watching a news, you are watching an
Hmm,
ad there. Okay,
hmm.
and you are in YouTube, you are watching a video, you are also seeing ad there. So what is the difference between both the ad?
Actually, I think in YouTube, okay, there are lot of ads, okay, and the ad is given according to their channel, according to their just interest, okay.
Mhm.
But I think in news channel there are only a fixed ads, okay.
Mm.
They are shown in a news channel or any channel in TV.
Good. Okay, fine. Good. Yeah, you explained one thing very good. Okay. That, for example, when I'm watching a video, okay, and my age is, for example, I am small, my age is 5. So I will
Hmm.
get the age of chocolates and toys and all in YouTube. Just example, in YouTube, one in
Yeah.
website. If I'm 5 to 6 year old children, I will get
Hmm.
the ad of Oreo, I will get chocolates and all. Okay.
Yeah.
And in TV channel, okay, I will get different kind of ad. Okay. When I see some adult ad is also there, we'll see
Hmm.
some like buy the home loan. So I'm a
Hmm.
5-year-old boy. So why I'm seeing the ad of home loan? I don't want the home loan. Okay. So this is
Hmm.
the main difference which you have identified. Okay. YouTube, okay, give the ad to the targeted audience. They have target audience. They know that okay, this person is from 5 to 10. He's from 10 to
Hmm.
20. I will show him the adult ad. This person
Hmm.
is boy, kid. I should not show him the adult ad. But you TV doesn't know. He shows every ad to all the people. Okay, for example, if you are a boy, you have to see the ad of home loan, and you are the old person, you have to see the ad of chocolates and ice cream. Okay, so this is the main difference.
Yeah, that's right.
So Nayan, tell me, like, just think that there is no system of ad. Okay, so how will be the world? No ad, no ad. If you're watching any video without ad, anything
Yeah,
TV without ad, always 24-hour, they will show this. So tell me what will happen if
yeah. Actually, it is impossible, okay, because I think whenever any platform or anything is running, that means there is someone who is paying and who are running, okay, this type of ad. Just suppose if we take the YouTube channel, okay, the YouTube app, right? So I think just we are not paying anything, right? The YouTube company, they are using, sorry, they are paying so amount, some amount to run it, okay. So I think if you are not seeing any ad, there would be no ad, then who is going to pay the YouTube? Okay, that's why I
Mhm.
think it is impossible, and it is the same way in TV. Okay,
Uh-huh.
because if any channel or if any channel is going in TV, okay,
Mhm.
but we pay only a few money, okay, and there are some channels we don't pay anything, no
Mhm.
money to them, okay. So it is the because of that, that actually there should be a person to give money to them, okay,
Mhm.
otherwise it is not possible, right? Okay, if we are not paying any money, it's okay, because there are some people who are giving ad to the company and they are paying to the company, okay. So that is the reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the another thing would be just then we would be unable to know about the product or about anything, okay, which is coming in our modern age. Okay, only because of the aid we are able to know about the thing, about the product, right?
Okay.
Actually, just we have discussed sometimes ago that about the Maggie. Okay, so I think
Mm,
there are many people who don't eat Maggie.
mm,
Okay, but they know it very well. Why? Because they have seen it ad.
yeah.
Okay, so that is the main reason, I think.
Great, great. Wow, wow. You explain the things in a very good way. Okay. That is
Yeah.
really good because you have covered like most of the point. Okay. That I asked you. Thank you so much, Nayan. Okay. We will be connected. Keep learning, keep improving. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.